Okay, so we're live. Today is 8 February 2024. I've got a Facebook thing here on a little gooseneck thing, which if I don't touch it, it won't go away. But I just want to zoom into the screen. Hopefully I got this right. Oh, is that right? Okay, so I want to see if I'm live in the thing, so hit refresh. And then, yes, I'm live. There we go, great. So that works, great, okay. So then, I ordered these two right here, which is these belts on top and the belts on the bottom, which is this one here, which is, wait, did I zoom? I zoomed in, okay. There's 100 pieces of this, and I got, oh, I can't even remember how many I bought now. And then I got, okay, it doesn't say how many I bought, but I also got these here. These are the 40 by 135, and then these are simply 100 pieces of, again, 40 by 135, but I got it from two different places. Wait, same seller, but so this is 100 pieces. Let's see here. Wait, this is what, 2 times 100 pieces and 5 times. Okay, so I got 2 packages of this, and I got 5 packages of this. Okay, because these I've used before. Hopefully they come in the same package with that Chinese on the front there. Those are good belts that I've bought in the past that I've used. All right, and these I don't know, but these are 100 chip pack, and what I really need are the larger, the 135 millimeter or better size belts. And this has the same size belts, and the other important thing for me is that these are supposedly 1 millimeter square, as opposed, and these are also 1 millimeter square, so I'm going to try and measure that and do that. Alright, so let me move this, let's see here, let me zoom this out, right? Zoom this out, okay, tilt this down, and then I'm going to pick this thing up. This is live on Facebook for those that are watching. This thing's on a gooseneck thing, so it's a gooseneck thing like that. It's very heavy, or the phone is very heavy, but this thing just wants to bounce. It's like that. And so let's see, can I bend this? Let's see here, what I want to do is I want to bend it so we can see just what I'm doing here, because this, I want to see if this will work when I go. Okay, so here is, well, actually I should have done it straight up. Wait, let's do it this way. Here, bend it up. Well, I'm going to stay. Okay, so here, you really can't see that. Let me just come down here to me, get my scissors. Yes, it's another non-professional, non-edited, all of that video. If you want something professional, go elsewhere. Okay, but here we go. I'm going to open this up, scissor into it, right? And put the scissors away, and then come back to the freshly open thing here and see what we get. So there, well, that's everything. Okay, so it's now empty. You see that? It's empty. Okay, so actually put this in the trash. There we go. So now I have this package like this. It's ones I wanted, right? And there's some kind of something in the back there. And again, another plastic bag I have to cut into, so let's get the scissors back again. Alright. Very carefully cut into the packages without, let's see here. Well, no, it's, heck, is this thing open? Wait. Oh, it's open. I don't need the scissors. I didn't need the scissors. Okay, great. So, let's just get out this here. Package this. I don't even need a bag. wait. There we go. It's okay. So it is a bag. Okay, so we are going to get this out of here. Alright, so no more plastic bag. Great. And then we have, oh wow, we've got a whole bunch more empty plastic bags. That'll be interesting. I can use that to sort with. I don't know if they do that on purpose. What does this paper say? Is this just a bill or statement? Okay, yeah, so we got, well that's nice to know. We got, let me hold this so you can read it. Alright, so there you go. You can see that. Right. So, I don't know what that was, but there was little messages there. Okay, fine. So it's, there. You can pause it and read it, and I'll read it later. Okay, fine. Alright, so 1.1, 100 volts. Okay, so, okay, so now we have what, these are, does it have any kind of number on here? Ah, well, 25 by 85, 40 by 130, whatever. It doesn't say how many are in this package. Well, it looks like it's, okay, that's definitely heavier. And that's definitely, okay, that's a lighter package, alright. That's a third large, or that package. And that's a smaller package, and then these two are definitely a lot more full. Alright, so these are two that are a lot more full, right? A lot more, like, full, very full. And then we have 5 that are not so full. Okay. Alright, great. So we have 5 that are not so full. I'm just going to open one of each, not all 5 or not all 7. Alright, so there's that. So, let's see, back to the scissors. Okay, so here's scissors. Alright, so scissors, and just get into that one. While we're at, we just open one of these too. Okay, so, and, great, so that's open. Don't need scissors anymore. Okay, and then, let's see here. This over there. So let me see this here. And just take out the bigger, I don't need to take all the belts out, I just want the biggest ones here. And see how big they are, because the small ones I really don't care about. I just need the bigger ones so I can repair this stuff. Well, there we go, finally got them. Here, just, I don't want all that to come out, it's going to come out anyway, but see if I can get them. There we go, great. So I got a few small ones out. Alright, so let's do it like this. Okay, so this is going to be the largest belt here. Right? Here's the largest belt. Okay, great. Let's get this here. I got this little pad, and I got my little pin. Okay, so pin, and that. So, this is, just a tad over 5 inches, so that about 130 millimeter, about 135 like I said. Okay, just one. I'm glad I got several packages. What is the next size up here? Because some of these things take, okay, so these are the next 2 bigger ones, alright, so great, I just dropped that. Where'd it go? Right here. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so here are these 2 belts. Right. Measure them one at a time. So there's that one. And this one here is, this is not the ideal thing, but it's close. So this is about 127 or so, something like that. Slightly tensioning, not quite 130, but that's good. Alright, so that was that one here, okay. And then this one is going to be, again, about the same, about 100, just, yeah, so that'll work. Nearly 5 inches. How about just making it simple rather than trying to see these, and these smaller ones here. Let me have just any one of them, I don't care, just anything. Alright, so, fine. And then this one will be like that. So that'll be, okay, so about 11, maybe, anyway, a little bit bigger than 11. Okay, so a little bit bigger than 11. Okay. And then this one here will be what? This will be just around 10, or just a little bit bigger than 10. Okay, nearly 4 inch. And then this last one here, that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do all of these. Oh, and then this will be about 11. Okay, great. So, great. So I got 11, got up to 13. Okay. Get this up out of the way. I'll close this up later. Just takes time to get all that up there, and I just dropped one on the floor. Okay, so that opened up a 100 bag, right? So here's a. No, I didn't open that one. Open this one. Okay, so here's a 100 bag, and the 100 bag has again the. Yeah, get the majority of the big ones. See if I can let the rest of them. Well, okay, it's not going to happen. Let's pull them all out. Heck with it. Okay, so, yeah. Wow. Alright, okay, so. Yeah, well, the other thing is, okay, I've bought other belts in the past, and the other belts I've gotten have been bent or, well, just bent. Hard to explain how they're bent, but these here are definitely not bent. Okay, they're definitely round. I don't know if you've ever bought any appreciable amounts of these things. Keep dropping the darn thing. Okay, so anyway, so this size is going to be what? This is out of the 100 pack. This is over. This is about 13, 5.25 or something like that. That's good. So I'll move this over here. All right, and just let's see here. Again, I'm only interested in the bigger belts. I'm not interested in these smaller belts, but so we'll just, that measure's too small. These are pretty much like that. This couple there are smaller and the other 3 are bigger, so I'll go with the bigger belts, which are going to be like these 3 here. So I'll put those over there, put this back over there. Alright, so give me these 3, and I've got 2 packages of this, so that means I'll have plenty of belts to do plenty of things. Plenty of sanyos. I have another sanyo coming. Okay. So this one's over just a tad over 5 inches. That'll work because I have a lot of smaller ones to go. Again, this one is right at or just over, a fraction over 5 inches. That's great. Okay, because a lot of these things take 5 inch or 5.5 inch, and so again, here's one. Okay, great. That's just very lightly done, as you can see. Okay, great. So one person's watching. No comments, but that's all right. I'm doing this primarily to see how well this ThinkPhone that I have here, which is a brand new phone to me, how well it works shooting a video. Right? So hopefully you can see that. Anyway, I'm done. I've had too much fun here. I'll take this silly thing off of here. Alright, so this is what I've been shooting with, that crazy little thing there. So now I'm going to get to putting these, I'll use some of these plastic bags they thoughtfully provided me, and put the bigger ones in the bigger bag, and some, and like that. You understand that? Okay, so goodbye to that thing there. No comments. One person watching. I have no idea. Thanks for watching. Good day, everybody. Gotta go. I'm gonna finish working on the, I can't remember, put disco. Alright, someone asked me about this a long time ago and anyway, just haven't got to it. Thanks for watching, bye-bye. Now let me just turn this thing off. Alright, had fun, good day, thanks for watching, bye-bye.